Ever pondered on how the lustrous, solid gold can be transformed into a fine powder? Well, the answer lies in the realm of chemistry and metallurgy, where various methods are employed to achieve this transformation. Today, we delve into the fascinating journey of gold from a shiny, coveted metal to a fine, versatile powder. To begin with, let's consider the case of gold leaf, a thin sheet of gold that is often used in art and decoration. Transforming gold leaf into powder is relatively straightforward. One would need liquid gum arabic, a sauce dish, a finger, and a brush. The gold leaf is placed into the sauce dish and then the liquid gum arabic is applied to it. With a gentle touch of a finger and a brush, the gold leaf is ground into a fine powder. Now, if the starting material is not gold leaf, but rather gold dust or small pieces of gold, the approach changes. In this case, borax, boric powder, and baking soda come into play. A crucible is filled with the gold dust or pieces along with these ingredients, and then a torch is used to melt the mixture. The molten gold is then poured into a mold and left to cool. Once hardened, it is ground into powder. For larger pieces of gold, a more sophisticated method is required. A metal powder making machine, which uses either water or gas atomization, is employed. This process requires a vacuum system, a furnace, and a nozzle. The gold is heated until it becomes a molten liquid, and then it is sprayed through the nozzle where it atomizes into tiny droplets that solidify into powder. However, to mix this gold powder with liquid, a chemical capable of dissolving gold is necessary. This could be aqua regia, cyanide, or mercury. A note of caution though, these chemicals are highly toxic and dangerous. Handling them requires proper safety precautions and equipment. Furthermore, their disposal must be handled responsibly due to the environmental and health risks they pose. So, to sum up, transforming gold into powder involves a variety of techniques depending on the form and quantity of the gold at hand. From grinding gold leaf with liquid gum arabic, to melting gold dust with borax and boric powder, to atomizing large pieces of gold in a metal powder making machine, the methods are as varied as they are intriguing. And when it comes to mixing the resultant gold powder with liquid, chemicals like aqua regia, cyanide, or mercury are used, each with their own set of risks and precautions. The journey of gold from a solid, lustrous metal to a fine powder is indeed a fascinating one, showcasing the wonders of chemistry and metallurgy at work.